You'll learn to make profits online with a strategic 30-day plan. It's step-by-step guidance on how you implement the framework that I teach. Plus, you're going to get a 30-day planner. That 30-day planner is going to list out step-by-step daily activities so that you can stay focused and so that you can stay engaged on building your foundation. Here's what we're going to cover in this challenge. Day one is all about discovering your niche. What is your passion and the key to starting strong? So I'm going to cover some exact scripts that you type into ChatGPT and how you can use them strategically. And then we're going to talk about how to put together your 4,000 hours 12 video strategy. On day number 2, we're going to talk about how to turn your ideas into income and create digital assets. I'll have a tutorial there about how you can create an asset in under 10 minutes. Doesn't take long. You will be amazed at how easy it is. Then I'm going to cover exact scripts you can use in your onboarding emails. You're not going to want to miss that on day 2. Then on day 3, I'm going to talk about how to structure your mini course for maximum impact. We're going to create an asset here that you can sell over and over. On day 4, we're going to talk about marketing systems and how you automate and amplify what you're doing. So I'm going to give you some exact email copy that you can write in your sales email so you don't even have to think about what you're going to write and how you're going to sell your course. Then I'm also going to have a tutorial on how to create a free landing page if you don't have any money. And then on the last day, we're going to talk about how you scale. And we're going to talk about unlocking multiple income streams. And then we're going to talk about how you can turn one asset into other income opportunities. And I'll give you a real life example of that so that you can follow along in the 5-day challenge. I'm going to have a 30-day planner that gives you a step-by-step, day-by-day plan on day 1, do this, day 2, do this. It's going to come with my Online Profits Made Simple book that this is all based around. And then it's going to have a workbook with a checklist on your planner. When you do the task and you get a task complete, you can go over to your workbook and say, okay, I've got this done. Now you know you're making a milestone. Now you know you're making forward progress. And you get lifetime access to all of these things. So the only thing left to do is for you to sign up for the 5-day challenge. I'm excited. I look forward to helping you progress and getting your 30-day plan set up and executed for greatness. All right. I want to know you. I want to meet you, and I want to answer your questions. Peace, blessings, and prosperity. Hope to see you inside the 5-day challenge.